When I got this notification that I'm one of the EFN conservation leaders that they are willing to fund and that they believe in, I cannot even put it in words. I was like, I can do anything. Being a fellow of the EFN elevates you to the status of a conservation leader. So it was not just about getting the degree and going home, but there was that effort and impact on exactly how is your work impacting your country, your communities, and how can you scale it up to a level that's beyond academia. The power of representation is so important. So just by being a woman, for example, in my community, I believe that my story really inspires them and gives them this essence that they too can do it.
Bhutan is a conservation champion, but still we have lots of challenges in the conservation. We are limited by the resources. We are limited by the professional people who can really lead the conservation research. So EFN is very close to my heart. I should say EFN has brought a significant impact on my conservation career. The funding that I got has transformed me to become a full-fledged conservationist.
I will say that EFN gave me hope, and they show me how they can support a lady that is interested in fisheries. I am working with the communities, and the only way that you could communicate with them is go to the communities, share with them, and listen to them. EFN gave me the power that I needed for starting this project. If you are trusting in the science, and if somebody is helping you and supporting you, you feel powerful. And when you are feeling powerful, it changes all the aspects in your life.
I wish there is a better word to thank EFN. We are committed to support you to implement the EFN activities in the field at local level. So I commit to work harder, make a small impact, but a long term that ensures that we can confidently inherit or pass down this mother planet in the hand of our future generation. Thank you, EFN.